leverage. He's going to be trying to get across in the Navy ball. So, you guys cheer him on. He's got 30 seconds to make it across. On your mark, get set, go. Here we go. David trying to shoot the gap down the middle, and I don't think he's going to make it. All right, now he's regrouping. Oh my, now he's been pummeled a little bit. Oh, and he's around the corner. Can he make it? Oh my goodness, he's tackled from behind. What will he do now? Can the Gryffindors escape the Slytherin to get across the finish line? Oh, now he's going with the steamroller. Here we go, trying to get back up. They won't allow him to. He's got about 10 seconds left to try and make it across the line. Gryffindor, Gryffindor. Let's go cheer him on, everybody. All right, he's got 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and he did not make it. Let's hear it for the Slytherins. They keep the Gryffindors from making it across the line.
If you're injured, get to John Lawley Law Firm to present your case by calling 833-JOHN-CAN. Get the money you deserve. That's 833-JOHN-CAN, John Lawley Law Firm. Now batting for Charleston, number 35, the designated hitter, Kenny Piper.
Did you find the rock? Yeah.
Gryffindors are cheater. They're just the best. Cogió ese punto.
Now batting for the River Dogs, the catcher, number 2, Dominic Keegan.
Is that gum? Yucky, don't touch. Yucky.
Stone cold.
So up next for the River Dogs, right fielder, number 17.
Did you get
Ohio
rocks?
Manzueta.
Rocks? Are they so cute? Rocks? Let me see this one. Oh, we dropped it. It's by Mommy's foot. It's right here. There you go.